All right, guys. So we realized we're not putting out a lot of footage, and we have this new idea that we want to share with you. And it is Thursday, so we're thinking about making a new segment called let's call it 3 Minute Thursdays.
3 Minute Thursdays, man.
Yeah, 3 Minute Thursdays. All right,
Oh,
I like it. So this issue I want to share with you guys is, if you've been following along with my previous build, 30-mile-an-hour DIY, I still haven't named it. Anyway, our trucks are made from China. They're some manufacturer, and the springs are real loose. And I've tried MBS eggs, which are just, they don't fit. I had to shave them down, and I ended up scrapping them because I had zero turning radius, zero, and that's scary. That's real scary.
Yeah, you're just doing straight lines.
Yeah, and so I get really ridiculous, really ridiculous speed wobbles.
Oh yeah.
And if I lean on one side, I can completely bottom out my spring. Anyway, I ordered some trampadampas, the softest ones, and we're in the middle of Afghanistan.
Takes a while.
And it's gonna take a while, maybe a month or so to get here.
Yep.
So I'm not gonna let that keep me from smobbing.
MacGyver over here had to improvise, know what I'm saying?
I was at the PX yesterday, and I had this idea about cutting up some Crocs. They're real squishy, but they're also got some dexterity to it. So I put them in the board, and we rode this morning, and it was wonderful. I'm gonna give you guys the whole down right now. Yeah. We're gonna try and keep it under 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes, man.
3 minutes, man. Let's get it.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, Cialis, flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches coming in. Yeah, flex.
As you can see, my speed wobble has been completely eliminated. Oh, not completely, about 85 to 90% eliminated. And this right here, little DIY for you, is how I did it. I basically just started with just the sole. And it's super easy. I mean, don't try this at home, but this is a pretty sharp knife. Maybe your standard steak knife. Get that bad boy off like that. And then you want to start with a diagonal cut. Right about here somewhere. And you pretty much cut that into one of those.
Where are you gonna put that, Joe?
Right here in the springs.
Oh, okay. That is a nice fit.
As you can see here, it's got a lot of dexterity, but also a lot of flexibility. And it was just the right amount of flexibility and dexterity to get rid of my speed wobbles. And I'm happy. At least until my trampadampas come in.